gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
Hey everyone, today we're talking about the Honor 500 Pro, and honestly, it caught me off guard in the best way. This phone really feels like a mid-range device that somehow sneaked in full-on flagship hardware. You're getting the Snapdragon 8 Elite at the core, paired with a huge 8,000 mAh battery. So on paper alone, it already looks seriously impressive. I've been using it heavily for a full week now, and in this video, I'll walk you through how this all-round performer actually holds up in real life. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's start with the design. The moment I saw the pink version of the Honor 500 Pro, I was genuinely blown away. If you're stuck deciding on a color, just pick pink without overthinking it. It looks stunning. The phone uses a metal frame combined with a single-piece glass back, giving it a clean and premium feel. On the back, you'll notice 3 small circles arranged horizontally for the cameras and sensors. Personally, I really like this layout. Compared to the oversized camera bumps we see everywhere these days, this design feels much more refined and balanced. But I'm curious, what do you think about this horizontal setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments. On the front, there's a 6.55-inch straight display made with cold-carved unibody glass. The bezels are insanely slim at just 1.05 millimeters, which is the narrowest you'll find in this price segment. The phone measures 155.8 by 74.2 by 7.75 millimeters, and thanks to the large rounded corners, it sits very comfortably in the hand. One-handed use feels surprisingly easy. Now, since I actually bought this phone for my wife, the camera performance was a big deal for us, so naturally, we tested it thoroughly. The Honor 500 Pro comes with a 200 megapixel AI ultra-clear main camera using a large 1.4-inch sensor. This setup delivers excellent editing flexibility and pulls in flagship-level image data, so fine details are preserved really well. What impressed us the most is the live camera feature. The 3-second live shots are perfect for social media, and with 6 different film-style color algorithms, it's honestly hard to take a bad photo. A lot of guys struggle to take good photos of their girlfriends, but with this phone, almost every shot turns out great. There's also a very practical animated GIF removal feature. When you're taking photos at tourist spots and random people walk into the frame, the phone intelligently recognizes them and fills in the background naturally so they don't stand out awkwardly in your photos. And there's one feature my wife specifically wanted me to mention. The phone can create a striking visual effect by stitching together between 2 and 9 photos to produce a naked eye 3D result. Once you post this on social media, people are guaranteed to ask how you did it. On top of that, the Sepia 5.0 image stabilization works extremely well. Even when shooting at night with slower shutter speeds, the photos remain sharp and clear. Overall, the camera experience is incredibly practical, especially if you love traveling and sharing moments online. Since we're on the topic of travel, let's talk about battery life and charging. The Honor 500 Pro packs an enormous 8,000 mAh battery into a slim 6.55-inch body, which is honestly impressive engineering. Honor really knows how to handle battery life in this segment. In real-world testing, after charging the phone to 100% in the morning and using it normally throughout the day, playing games, watching short videos, and regular daily tasks, the remaining battery by noon and even at 11 p.m. was still surprisingly high. With regular usage, getting through 2 full days on a single charge is completely realistic. This isn't just because of the battery size, but also thanks to the AI power management system. After optimizing common apps like short video platforms and WeChat, overall battery efficiency improves by more than 10%. When it comes to charging, the Honor 500 Pro supports 80-watt wired fast charging and 50-watt wireless fast charging. By the time you're done washing up in the morning, the phone is basically fully charged. Overnight charging quickly becomes unnecessary, which is a huge quality of life upgrade. My iPhone honestly doesn't feel that impressive anymore. This phone even supports 27-watt wired reverse fast charging, which means it can charge an iPhone at speeds similar to the official charger. So if a friend's iPhone runs out of battery, you can casually say, "Here, use mine to charge. This 8,000 mAh battery is more than enough." It's genuinely stress-free. All right, let's move on to gaming performance. The Honor 500 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with Unreal Engine 3.0, and together they push performance right to the top of its segment. When playing Genshin Impact at very high graphics settings and 60 FPS with phantom frame stabilization turned on, the frame rate stays extremely steady. Even the 5% low frame rate holds at 60 FPS with zero noticeable stutter. Next up is Honor of Kings at ultra high graphics and 120 FPS. Phantom frame stabilization enabled, the performance is rock solid. Even the 5% low frame rate stays locked at 120 FPS, again with no jitter at all. That's honestly impressive. When you turn on frame rate enhancement and image quality enhancement, things get even better. In Genshin Impact, the frame rate jumps from 60 FPS to 90 FPS, and the image resolution sees a huge boost from 850p to 1.5K. Everything feels smoother, sharper, and far more detailed, with clarity noticeably improved. As for heat control, after playing Honor of Kings continuously for an hour, the warmest area was around the upper middle part of the phone, reaching about 38.3 degrees Celsius. That's a strong result and shows just how effective the cooling system is. The display has always been a strong point for Honor, and this one is no exception. The 1.5K ultra-clear Oasis eye protection screen performs really well. Even under direct sunlight, the screen remains bright and easy to read, with text staying clear and sharp. The Oasis Eye Care feature also does a good job of reducing blue light, helping to ease eye strain during long usage sessions. macOS 10.0 has also evolved nicely, and the UU Intelligent Assistant is becoming more and more practical. A simple three-finger swipe down lets you quickly record to-do items, and you can even ask it to handle more complex photo edits, like adding beauty effects or applying a phantom sky just by describing what you want. My wife loves this feature the most, and according to her, this finally feels like AI intelligence. On the connectivity side, Honor's self-developed RF enhancement chip, the Honor C1 Plus, makes a noticeable difference. Signal stability is improved, and in crowded environments like concerts, ticket purchasing speeds are boosted by 26.1%. Even when watching videos on a high-speed train, playback stays smooth without any annoying buffering. With the Spring Festival travel rush coming up, whether you manage to get home or not might actually depend on this kind of performance. It's also worth mentioning that this phone supports triple dust and water resistance, including IP68, IP69, and IP69K ratings. It can stay submerged in water for up to 30 minutes without issues and can even handle high-temperature water exposure. Taking it to the bathroom or playing games while soaking isn't a problem at all. To wrap things up, the Honor 500 Pro manages to fit a massive 8,000 mAh battery into an ultra-slim 7.75mm body. Add to that a 200-megapixel camera and the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and you've got a phone that's seriously powerful. With its smart internal design, excellent signal performance, and strong all-around experience, it stands out in looks, performance, battery life, and everyday usability. If you're looking for a balanced smartphone that delivers a flagship-level experience at a mid-range price, the Honor 500 Pro is easily one of the most worthwhile options right now. Hopefully this video helps with your buying decision. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.